Welcome to Geometry Transformations, Part 2. This covers Common Core Standards 8.G.1, 2, and 3. As a reminder, a transformation is the movement of a geometric figure on a coordinate plane. Our previous lecture dealt with rotation. This one will deal with reflection. What is a reflection? Well, a reflection is an image or shape as you see it in a mirror. And if reflections are everywhere, every time you look in a mirror or in a glass or into a lake, you notice a reflection. A reflection has a line of symmetry. It can also be called a mirror line. This is your line of symmetry or your mirror line. Now please note, this is important, that the distance from every point on the original is equal distance from the line of symmetry on the reflection. So this distance is the same as this distance. The reflection has the same size and shape as the original image. In the previous example of a mountain reflecting into a pond, the line of symmetry was horizontal. In this picture of a dog, you will see the line of symmetry is vertical. In fact, mirrored lines or lines of symmetry can be in any direction. It doesn't have to be vertical, it doesn't have to be horizontal, they can also be diagonal. A reflection is a flip over a line. Again, the line can go in any direction. Again, a line of symmetry is also called the mirror line. In our examples, we will have the line of symmetry be the x-axis or the y-axis. And occasionally we will have them be on a diagonal. Here's example 3. Please take notes on the slide. We're going to create a reflection, and the reflection in this case is going to be over the x-axis. So our point of reflection is going to be this line right here. Now, as we reflect over that line, the first thing we should probably do is label our points. So let's label them A, B, and C. As we reflect over this line, we will create equal distance. So A is 2 away from the line of symmetry. So A prime will be 2 away from the line of symmetry on the other side. C is also 2 away. So C prime will also be 2 away from the line of symmetry. As you can see, B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 away. So we're going to go 6 away the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 away. And that becomes B prime. So then all that's left, since we have now plotted each point, is to connect them. A to C, C to B, B to A. And you see that we have a symmetrical figure, a triangle that is reflected over a line of symmetry. Here is a your turn example, so go ahead and take your turn. This one you're going to create a reflection over the y-axis. Remember, this is your y-axis here. So go ahead and use that to create a reflection, and remember to check the equal distance away from that at all times. And I will look at this tomorrow. Here's a second your turn example. We're going to create a reflection over the x-axis. And on your next slide, I want you to do a reflection over the x-axis. Now the one thing we haven't touched on that I do want you to be aware of is at this point here, in our example, if we go point A, B, C, point C over the x-axis is touching the line of symmetry. Well, just like if you stuck your nose at a mirror, it would look like your nose is touching itself. So the same thing happens here. So C and C prime will be the same point right there. Please complete this, and I will look at them in class tomorrow.